Why Korean fridges don't smell. The secret is this glass. Stop using plastic containers right now. They stain, smell, and release chemicals. This is Glasslock, the #1 reason why Korean fridges are so clean and organized. It is made of tempered glass, so it is incredibly strong. You can drop it, freeze it, or put it in the microwave without worry. Look at this seal. It keeps food fresh for weeks, not days. Even strong smells like kimchi stay trapped inside. Upgrade your kitchen with this Korean essential. It's eco-friendly and lasts forever. Your health will thank you. Subscribe for more kitchen hacks.